Good evening, hobbyists. It's me, Hunter, and I'd like to welcome you back to another snap build. For today, we are going to be showing off the high grade RGM 79Q GM Quel. Um, I feel like this is gonna be a really fun kit. This is gonna be the first kit along with the real grade Mark II that I'm doing for the special forces team that I'm gonna kind of make some GM, some Gundam, some similar Gundam or quasi Psycho Commus once I get the silver bullets and kind of customize them myself. This is a project I kind of really wanted to start after kind of looking at the Mark II Titans as well as the Quell here when I got them. And I think this is gonna be really fun. This build should be pretty easy, pretty quick. I think it'll be a lot quicker than the Ironblood Orphans builds I do because there's a lot of really just flat surfaces. So the glass file and just maybe a little bit of additional sanding should take care of most of it. Um, I'm not really too much in a rush though to get it done, so we'll take it slow, steady. And I hope you guys enjoy the snap build to follow. All right, guys. So we're gonna get cracked on the um, high grade well real quick. So let's take out all the runners. Let's look through the instructions quick before we do. It's pretty simple. Three, got page one, page two, oh, page. Then that's it. The rest of it is all display or how to pose or some things you can do with the Quell to kind of mix it up a bit, make it more of a genuine manufacturing type. Um, it seems pretty cool. You kind of want to mix it up and customize it a little bit. Otherwise, I think it's good to go pretty much right out of the gate. Should be a really quick and fun build. So as you guys can see right out of the gate, it's three easy or well basically three runners with some polycaps and some accessories like the clear visor and the beam sabers. Now these beam sabers look a little shorter than usual, but I actually am more of a fan of like the medium length like beam sabers for high grades instead of like the overly long ones. Um, or like even sometimes the short ones I like too, is because they're kind of unique. Um, but this is pretty much for the runners, or like what I have for the runners for this build. The high grade ones, that I'm going to be doing. So like I'm going to be running a cycle of a high grade, real grade, master grade pretty much at all times. When I wrap up one, I'll move on to the next. The high grade sprues will always be over here because it will usually be a small amount unless I do a larger high grade, in which case I might not even incorporate another grade at that time, or I might only incorporate one other grade at that time. But so far that's really all I want to do with the high grade sprues is keep them there, and then I'll move on to getting the high or the other grades out. So we'll move on to the snap build quick. It'll be rapid. I'll pause only on we'll stop the video only on the limbs to show them off, and the torso and the head, like each individual section, so you guys can get a better look at that. And then we'll just put it all together, and I'll do a quick little showcase at the end, whether it be down here or in the webcam. So that's all I really have, and all I really have for the setup for the high grade quell. And let's move on to actually building this high grade out. Shall we?